Oh man. Hey, what's going on, City Slickers? I can't believe it. I had to move the van, right? The van was parked on a meter. So I had the car in one spot. So I said, let me take the car out, put the van in. And I said, at the same time, I might as well go get something to eat because this snow is crazy. Last night, we was just in Coney Island for Easter. Now look at this. I don't get it. I got my stuff here, but they didn't have no lamb chops here in Food Bazaar. So I'm going to have to go to Western Beef. Look at this. Ah, man. Look at no gas. I cleaned the car around 3 times already. Oh, I gotta close this door. I cleaned the car like 3 times already. It's like every time I get out the car, I gotta clean it again. This is crazy. I don't get it. I don't remember it snowing a day after Easter. Never. I just can't remember. All right. You know what? Let me get to Western Beef, get my lamb chops, and I'm done. I just got to get lamb chops and pork chops at Western Beef. This is crazy. I don't get it. Got my pajamas on. You know, I usually wear my uptowns with my pajamas, especially these, the ducks. All right, guys, let's get over there. Yeah, I just don't get this, man. I don't get it. All right, I got a lot of videos to put up, so let me start. This don't look like it's gonna be light. This don't look light. This don't look like it's gonna snow for 2 hours. Nah, this look like people wish they had sick days. Oh, let me get in the car. Oh, man. Oh, I got snow in the car. Oh, I got snow in my jacket. Oh, gotta get home. Oh, wow. I can't believe it, City Slickers. I can't remember it snowing a day after. We was just in Coney Island last night. I haven't even uploaded the videos. Whoa. I haven't even uploaded. Let me put the frost. I haven't even uploaded the videos. Look at this. This is bad. The van, the rims are too big and they got low profile tires, so it's not good. The Prius, the wheels are too small, so I need another car. I want to get a Jeep. I want a Jeep. Oh man, I gotta get a Jeep. All right, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Can't drive like this. All right. See you in a little while. Peace. Shazam. Stay home.